Hi, I'm Miranda and I specialise in teaching children English through drama. And today I thought we would make a cake together. So I brought with me my little friend, Bibi, to give me a hand. Are you going to give me a hand, Bibi? Yes. Do you want to say hello to everybody? No. Okay. Right, let's make a cake. What's the matter? Are you my mummy? No, Bibi, I'm not your mummy. What? Are you my daddy? No, Bibi, I'm not your daddy. You are a monkey. You look like a monkey. I look like a monkey. Well, thank you very much, Bibi. Bibi, stop it. Bibi, stop it. Now, do you want to make a cake? Would you like to make a chocolate cake? No. Okay, would you like to make an ice cream cake? No. I know, I've got an idea. Would you like to make a banana cake? Yes, do you like bananas? Yes, I think he likes bananas a lot. So we're going to make a banana cake today, but we have to be very, very, very careful with this banana because if we drop the banana on the floor... What? Bibi's eating the banana. No, Bibi, give me that banana back. Give it back. Go on, give it back. Bibi, give me the banana back. Oh, Bibi, you are so naughty. You're such a naughty monkey, Bibi. Bibi, right, stop playing. Bibi, stop playing. Bibi, stop it right now. You're very, very, very naughty. Right, so now we can't make the cake because the banana is finished. So I'm sorry, but we're going to have to go now. But we'll come back another time. What's the matter, Bibi? What's the matter? Are you sad? Oh. Are you crying? Oh. But Bibi, you're making my jumper all wet. Bibi, right, would you like a handkerchief? Yes? Here you are then. You blow your nose on your handkerchief. Go on, here you are. Now, while Bibi is blowing his nose on the handkerchief, I'll give you the recipe for the banana cake. What? Bibi's wiping his nose on my jumper. No, Bibi! Look, that is all wet now. Oh, Bibi, you are such a naughty monkey. Bibi, I think it's time for you to say goodbye. Can you say goodbye? No. All right then, I'll say goodbye for Bibi. And I hope to see you next time making a cake, maybe without Bibi. We'll see. For now, thanks for watching. And remember, be theatrical. Bye.